Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and I've got us a new unboxing today. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do an unboxing and Spellbinders Club Kit haul for the month of June, and then when we're done with the unboxing and looking at all the fun goodies, what I'm going to do is I'm going to redirect or push you guys over to the next video, which is going to be a live stream where I'm going to be playing with one of the fun kits. Now, I did release this video you're watching now. I'm releasing it a day early so that my members can see it and they can vote on what they want me to play with on the live stream. So if you haven't already become a member, be sure to go ahead and hit that button down below, click join to see a little more information about what that actually means. And then next time I do one of these, you can get a chance to vote. So here's my box. Let me go ahead and switch that camera around. Oh. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, and then I'm going to move it off to the side so it's easier to get in and out of. So here is everything for the month of June. We're going to start off with the embossing folder of the month, and this one is the Botanical Diamond. So that is just lovely. Love the diamonds. Next we'll go with the Glimmer of the month, and this is the Paisley Glimmer. So we've got this Paisley design strip here, so you can glimmer that 1, 2, 3, however many times on your cardstock you want. Then we have dies to go along with it that cut out the paisley shapes. It looks like we've got actually one that cuts out the bigger piece. Let me pull that up a little bit better so you can see. So it cuts out the entire paisley right there. And then this one looks like it cuts out that inner part. So that is kind of interesting. So you could glimmer this up in 2 different kinds of foil maybe, and cut out some of the inside ones and layer them up, and I think that would be kind of cool. I had not noticed that that's what that one was doing, but that is kind of awesome. Okay, so those are the little dies that go along with the glimmer plate itself. Then we have some cool sentiments. So this one says, with gratitude. I had trouble reading that one before. So we've got with gratitude, we've got seize the day, and we have forever friend. So those are cute, and we've got, of course, dies to cut out our cool sentiments. So that is going to be the Glimmer of the Month, Paisley Glimmer. Okay, this one is the small die of the month, which is called Stylized Border Trio. So in this one we have, as it says, trio, we have 3 intricate die borders. They are 4 1/4, about 4 1/4 wide. And then we have some additional pieces to help cut out, I'd say, background layer. So this one would go with this guy here. This one cuts one of the edges for that. This one cuts the edge that's got the flower piece, or to me it looks like a flower piece. This one cuts an entire background that goes along with this one. This one is for the top of here, and then this one is for just the bottom of this one, I think. No, that's wrong. Oh, this one is for the bottom of this. Okay, that is kind of cool too. Okay. So it gives you a lot of different ways that you can use these. It's going to be fun to see how those work. Also, this die here can cut the other side as well, so it just takes running it through an additional time. So that is really cool. I like all of those. I think that's going to make some pretty accents for some cards, or you could you could make it your focal point. And again, this one is called Stylized Border Trio. And we have the Stampin Die of the month that has, again, some more of those cool paisleys. And we have the dies that go along with it. The sentiments say, beyond grateful, sending happy thoughts your way, and hope this card finds you well. So those go real nice for a lot of encouragement cards. And then we've got, this one's gonna be so fun. This one is the Amazing Paper Grace, and let me make sure I get that name right. This one is called Pop-Up Vignette Road Trip. Pop-Up 3D Vignette Road Trip. So it's another one of the pop-up vignette dies, but this time we've got a little car. And just like our other, oh, is that the trunk? No. I do have to figure out what everything is. This actually is, I know what this one is. Just like the other vignettes, we've got this die that makes it so that you can make it, you can do like, I guess tier. You're going to have different levels that are going to make it, you know, the 3D effect. So we've got this piece that pretty much matches up with the car. So this is going to be your raised piece all the way through. Got a little bumper. I am going to have to go back and check and see what all these things are, but I think this is so fun. Okay. Got a couple of little banner dies too, and then we have this that says enjoy the ride. So that's one of the little banners that could be as a I'm thinking that would fit probably really well as a on the bumper as a tag. We've got a bunch of different hairstyles, and we've got a little person. So we've got our person, so that is always awesome. Additional sentiment, this one says just married, so this would be great for that type of card for the newlyweds. And then this one, of course, says road trip. So this is going to be so super cool to play with. But just like the other car die sets that you know I love, it does take a little bit of figuring out as to what everything is and how it all works together. But you know what? I'm going to do that for you, and I will show you exactly how all of the bits and pieces work together on this little car. Okay, so that is the Amazing Paper Grace Pop-Up 3D Vignette Road Trip. So to finish it up, we've got our card kit of the month. And this one always has lots of fun goodies. This one is called Party Hat and Streamers. So from the front, you can tell we've got basically all the same things that we always get: the card stock, we've got card bases, envelopes, die cut shapes, all the fun things. This one is going to have this fun party hat for us to make, including a couple of little dies here. One of them goes with the border around the bottom, and the other one creates a cute little pom-pom for the top. So we've got those dies, and there's also a couple of dies in there that do make a wish. Then we've got this fun stamp set, which is probably going to stay on my desk. It has a bunch of different happy birthday items on there. We've got some candles, we've got woo yay birthday, happy birthday, now wish like you mean it, your future looks bright, celebrate, I wish I was there to celebrate with you, hey birthday girl, have a sprinkles, confetti, and rainbows kind of day, sending birthday hugs, and wonderful people deserve wonderful birthdays. So that is super fun. Got these cute little party hats with little pom-poms. That I love that. That is too adorable. Then we've got our chipboard pieces. These are stickers also. So we've got birthday girl, happy birthday is cute little kitty cat with a balloon. Awesome. We've got party mix cassette. And we were just talking about cassettes on Elizabeth Costa-Rogers' live stream the other day. Congrats, hooray, candles and cake, birthday bestie, start the party, and of course some presents. Then on the back, wish big, some more cake and candles. Celebrate beautiful, and oh my god, happy birthday. Oh, and then we've got this one that says fun times. That is so cool. I love it. Okay, then we've got our puffy stickers. So we've got let's party, woohoo, let's eat cake, just say yay, birthday girl, congrats, wish big, and yay. Another nice paper pack that's got a lot of cool backgrounds that we will be using on some cards. And we've got some gold sequins to jazz up our cards. And as always, we've got a bunch of the pretty cardstock. I do have to say I'm loving the Spellbinders cardstock, especially the gold mirror. Love the gold mirror. But look, okay, these colors are so nice and bright. And what I'm noticing is that spring, at the beginning of spring, January, February, March, those were really kind of light. And as we slowly go into summer, the colors are getting brighter because, of course, we're all thinking about sun and fun in the sand. And okay, I live in Florida, that's all year round, but still, it's where we're thinking those. So the colors are going along with it. So that is going to be our club kit of the month. Let me switch my camera back around. So that's going to be our club kits of the month. It's going to be so fun to get to play with these, and you guys get to help me pick what I'm going to play with first. So if you're a member, be sure to vote down below in the comments to let me know which one you want me to use first. That's how I'm going to do it this month. I may change it up next month because I think this is going to be fun. Also, another reason why I'm kind of splitting the video into two is so that folks that are just wanting to see, you know, what is it? What's in the kits? What are in all of the clubs? They can go ahead and watch this portion of the video. And if they're not interested in seeing what I make, that's fine. They'll watch that later or whatever. Or if they're just wanting to see the project and don't really care about looking at the rest of the kits, no problem. They can just watch the replay or hang out with us on the live. So you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you over in the live stream. Bye for now.